Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your NatWest card reader. First, make sure your device has working batteries. Then, simply insert your NatWest debit card into the reader's slot. The screen will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number. This initial step securely links your card to the reader, preparing it for transactions. It's a quick and easy process to get started with your banking tasks. Once your card reader is set up, making a payment is straightforward. Navigate through the menu to find and select the payment option. You will then be asked to input the specific amount you wish to pay, such as $25.50. Always double-check the amount displayed on the screen before confirming. This ensures accuracy and helps prevent any errors in your transactions, making your banking experience smooth. Checking your account balance with the NatWest card reader is also very simple. From the main menu, select the Balance Inquiry option. The reader will then securely connect and display your current account balance directly on its screen. This provides an instant overview of your funds. After viewing your balance, remember to safely remove your card from the device. It's a convenient way to stay informed about your finances. To ensure your financial security, always keep your 4-digit PIN confidential and never share it with anyone. It's also crucial to store your card reader in a secure and private location when not in use, preventing unauthorized access. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Staying informed and secure is key to managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.